Bonfire sparked attention among investors in early May this year, as it seemed like the token was all set to take off. The prices were pumped up drastically by 1,700% and crossed the $75 million range in daily trading volume, and the investors were all excited about how the token was progressing. However, the show didn't last long. Welcome to yet another exciting video, pals. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our content. Know that prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own research. All right then, let's dive in. As we mentioned initially, everything was working out well for Bonfire, but had a drastic plunge. Within the next 2 months, Bonfire experienced a drop in value by 90%. The graphs brought the enthusiastic supporters back to reality, as the daily trading volume couldn't even crack a range of $500,000. Hence, these crypto enthusiasts were forced to move on. So why are we discussing crypto that suddenly had a plunge? The answer is, it's always right to take up valuable lessons which would help an investor in the long run when looking to buy any crypto. What is a bonfire? For those who are entirely void of the particular crypto, let's take a quick look at what it is. Bonfire is a fiat currency that was launched only recently on April 18, 2021. The crypto project launched aimed to provide certainty or shelter amidst the skeptic and shaky digital asset sector. The introduction given sure does seem vague and complicated. Truth to be said, the token is similar to any other token in the market and had two notable features that made them play better for a while. The first feature is static rewards. Each transaction costs a 10% fee, and half of the fee is then distributed among the Bonfire holders as a reward. The rest of the fee is then used for a liquidity pool that would help to facilitate trading. The next feature is manual burns. As an investor or crypto enthusiast, we are already aware that demand is one thing that stirs up hype related to particular crypto. So being a bonfire holder, if you wish to reduce the supply of the token to increase the demand, you can destroy or burn the tokens. The original supply of the coin is 1 quadrillion tokens, and about 40% of it was damaged by its holders so far. These two features naturally caused hype among the investor community. Both features were, however, familiarized by the safe noon crypto. Static rewards and the manual burns were designed to help the token. Yet, the graph shows that neither of the strategies worked well for the fiat currency. So what went wrong with the currency? The primary issue with Bonfire was that, despite giving a grand introduction, it couldn't offer something unique. The features somehow looked like they were solely focused on increasing the price for the short term rather than the long term. Since it didn't host something special for the users, it maintained its fame and popularity. Let's move on to its price prediction to get a clear picture. As per the forecasts, Bonfire is considered a bad long-term investment. According to Wallet Investor, the token has got a low market cap that can be manipulated further. It has a high risk involved with it. At the time of writing on August 8, the Bonfire price equals 0.00000001. The chances are that your investment now might as well get devalued in the future. Although the token appears to be dead, it is technically still alive. The currency is even available on PancakeSwap, which is mainly a famous spot for these kinds of recently launched crypto projects that aren't big enough for the major crypto exchanges. None of the top cryptocurrency exchanges have listed it, and there are fewer chances for it to get listed on any. If you're still wondering whether Bonfire has any future, it isn't peculiar. the crypto project could not already follow its roadmap. They're supposed to be carried out. Plans for the second quarter of 2021 included launching a Bonfire application. However, there's no sign of an application yet. Please note that the content in this video is for entertainment purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your research. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Until next time, see you all.